Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read this statement carefully. This question usually comes in different type of exams, competitive exams, Olympiad exams. It is related to percentage, but yes, division is used. If a student is able to understand the statement carefully, properly, then definitely he will find this question easy. Let us read it together. When 616 is divided by a certain positive number, that means 616 is divided by some number, and that number is 66 is to 2/3% of the quotient. This is the condition given. It leaves remainder 16. What I observed, that at the end I will get remainder 16. This is what I am going to get. Okay. Find the divisor. We need to find this divisor, the number by which 616 is divided. So what I thought, if 16 is the remainder, that means if I subtract 16, that means 600 should be the completely divisible number with my divisor, right? Because 16 is the remainder which is extra I am having. That means 600 is divisible. If 600 is divisible, I can check the options. But what I observed, like first option is 20, 30, 24, 15. 600 is divisible by all of them. 600 is divisible by all of them. Let us check it. Like if I divide 600 by first option 20, I'll get 30 quotient, right? I'm just showing to clarify the concept. If I take B option, then I'll get 20 in the quotient. We are given that divisor is 66 is to 2/3% of quotient. That means divisor is smaller than quotient. At least this much is fine. So B option cannot be the answer. Because if I use option B, my divisor is becoming greater than quotient. So I am deleting it. This is not required. So at least one option is gone. Third option is 24. If you divide 600 by 24, you will get 25 quotient. Now 24 divisor is no doubt lesser than 25, but it is very close to 25. It cannot be 66%. It will be around 98, 99, but near to that percent, right? So C option can never be the answer. Okay, let's move to the D part. If 600, I'm going to try with 15, I'm going to get 40 here. Now my divisor is even less than 50%, right? That means D option cannot be the answer. So all are gone. I'm left with only A option. A is the answer. And actually, divisor 20, you can check what percent it is. You just need to do 20 divided by 30 multiplied by 100. Just check it out. You will get same answer, 200/3%. And if you convert it into percent, what will we get? We will get the same value as mentioned there. That means A option is the correct option. I just had shown you with all the options to clarify the concept. Whereas if you are checking the first option itself, when I got 20 and 30, at that time I got to know that yes, it is 1/3 or 2/3, sorry. So that means A option is the correct option. Reading the statement was very important, and approach how we are going to solve it. If we are going to suppose something as X and started solving it, it takes a lot of time, and this much time we won't have in exam, right? That is why it is better to go with the options in this type of question. I hope you are able to understand. Thank you so much for watching today's video.